Hi chat, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I go by Sky on all of my social media platforms, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a maintenance vlog. I have a hair appointment at 6:15. It's 30 minutes away. I still got to get gas, so I'm staring into space. But if you guys did not know, my clothing brand dropped. I'm only getting 4 stitch braids, so it literally should not take long at all. But I don't know if y'all could see because like the lighting is not like all that good in my car. I don't know why, and I hate it. Chat, I'm on my way to my wax appointment. I'm recording from such a high angle because the lighting is not good anywhere else in my car. I gotta update y'all on my hair. She iced my yo, the girl that did my wax, she did her one. But I just got to the nail salon and I'm gonna get a pedicure because I'm getting my nails done at 3 something. So I just need my toes done. I like your hair, baby. Thank you.
How about you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Just pedicure?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, this water be feeling so good. But let me show y'all the design that I want to get for my nails. Okay, so I want to get these later. It's going to be overlaid. This is probably going to be silver, or it's probably going to be the same as that nail, because she said she don't have the black beads, so it's probably going to be another one of these, and that's fine. A little yellow. Yeah.
You don't see I'm the lowest of the lowest. Crazy, you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy's feeling like a great escape. I need no trick, gold eyes don't change.
I'm about to do my lashes. As y'all can see, like, oh, y'all probably can't see, but I got one missing right here, one missing right here, and I want to double it, give it to the next person. Let me see what time my nail appointment is. I think it's at 3:45. Right now it's 2:10, so my appointment is at 3:30, basically in an hour and 20 minutes. So we're gonna do my lashes.
Fucking, I ain't making love no more. What the fuck you crying for? I'm moving stuff, it's calling on my favorite hoes. How to reach me every time and it pays you right. Rise after night, we committed a crime. Where you belong, the most sacred spot. You can't be outside cause I'm against the plan.
I was sitting here thinking I want to do bottom lashes. I did bottom lashes one time before and they were really cute. I just want the effect like you just came from a lash tech. Chat, I did my bottom lashes. Do they look too dark? If they look too dark, I swear I'm taking them out tonight. Like, but I need to leave now. My coach, she ordered a set and she asked if I could bring it to her by 6. And I don't know what time I'm gonna be done my nails, so I'm just gonna stop by and drop it off to her on my way to my nail appointment. She got a small red set. So here's the poly mailer that I use, the red set. Oh my gosh, y'all, I wanted to get some food before my appointment. I'm gonna be so hungry and I don't know how long we're gonna take. I hope it's not that long though. But my bottom lashes took a little longer than I expected. And it's cold outside. I should have brought my big jacket. It's sunny though. And I'm not really gonna be outside but walking in and out. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all once I get to my nail appointment because I'm rushing.
You're happy now. I wish I could bank on us, on us. You can get none by run, baby, bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play a little game with you. Cause if you wanna stay, then I'll play. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You playing with my heart, yeah, yeah, yeah. You playing with my heart, you playing with me, oh boy. Take me over. I know you got the run. Oh, take me under. I want you to be mine. Oh, you can get none by run, baby, bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. Boy, you can get one. You can get one from me. One from me. You can get one from me.
Chat, I just feel like I look so good. Look at my nails. Why is this sink so slippery? Trying to make my tripod drop. Look at my nails. Don't they look so cute? She ate. My hands are ashy, but I feel so cute. Like, if you know me, I don't get my nails done. Or I barely even get my toes done. But for me to get this stuff done back to back, I feel so good. It is like 6:30 and I just got home. I need to go pack some orders. I am going to go live, but my phone got to charge a little bit. I look good as f. He was like, I ate all day. All today.
Let it out, take it back, talking shit, all you do. Couldn't help thinking of what did you put me through. Pardon your behavior, but if you think I'm gonna stay, then you can get way. You can get way. Then you can get way. Then you can get way. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play a little game with you. Cause if you wanna say, then you play with my heart. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You playing with my heart. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You playing with my heart. You playing with me. Oh boy.
Hey guys, so if you guys were on my live, these are all little orders that I packaged for today that I got while I was out all day. If you guys have supported my business in any kind of way, I thank you and I love you so much. Like, the support and the purchases has been like crazy, and I love y'all for that. But I'm gonna end the video off right here. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share this video. I will have more videos like this if y'all like seeing my day-to-day, you know, my morning routine, my night routine, me doing my business stuff, my entrepreneur stuff that y'all want to see. And I will see y'all in the next video. I hope y'all enjoy it, and make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I love y'all.